Howard works as a security operator at the Enterprise Building Mall and is completely relaxed because he knows he can rely on the security building management system to keep an eye on all the activities that take place in the mall. Why? Well, coupled with GSIMS, IRAP integrates the access control, alarm management, incident report, notifications, clocking, and attendance into one platform, which makes it easier for organizations to manage their security systems effectively. With the advanced technology, the Security Building Integration System solution, there is no need to have a night security officer to do night patrolling. Instead, virtual patrolling uses all-powered camera bot that can patrol an area 24/7 and alert authorities in case of any suspicious activity. Every entry and exit point is monitored, suspicious activities are flagged off, and any potential threats are addressed quickly. These cam bots are equipped with sensors and cameras that can detect any kind of movement or sound within their vicinity. They also have advanced algorithms that can analyze the data. They collect and alert the authorities if they detect anything out of the ordinary. By using virtual patrolling, companies can reduce their manpower costs while still being able to provide efficient security solutions for their premises. With this automated systems, it is possible to consistently provide standards reports every hour, ensuring that the protection runs where and when it needs to. This technology has revolutionized the security industry, providing an efficient and cost-effective way of monitoring large areas with minimal human intervention. With virtual patrolling, businesses can be sure that their premises are being monitored in accordance with their standards of protection at all times. Additionally, Howard can take proactive measures to prevent any incidents before they occur and respond quickly and efficiently to any security situation. That's not all. IRAP, with the Advanced Security Building Integration System solution, even supports Howard after each incident during post-event investigation to ensure that all necessary actions have been taken for maximum safety and security. By implementing these measures properly, building owners can ensure that their buildings are safe and secure for everyone who enters them. With its comprehensive suite of features, the Advanced Security Building Integration System solution makes it quite easy to retrace the course of any incident, allowing organizations to take the necessary steps in order to mitigate potential risks. It provides a platform to store all the data collected from connected devices in chronological order, creating an event log for easy access and analysis. All Howard has to do is filter the relevant information from the system. He can then create an incident report, export it, and archive it for future reference. ID also provides better coordination between different departments, allowing for more efficient operations and better decision-making when it comes to safety matters. Howard's boss is a huge fan of IRAP and GSIMS, and he is especially concerned about the future. With regular updates from the system, he can ensure that his business remains secure and protected from any intrusions. ID provides an easy-to-use interface that allows integration of systems and devices from other manufacturers into the system. As the enterprise building mall expands, so does the need for security and building management. With the Advanced Security Building Integration System solution, Howard's boss can be sure that their building is secure and well-managed. Overall, a security management system provides peace of mind by ensuring that all safety protocols are followed at all times. It is an invaluable tool for any organization looking to beef up their security measures while keeping their staff safe from harm. Want to maximize the productivity of your security system? Upgrade your building security system now. www.gabkotech.com. info@gabkotech.com.